Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency. 2024 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for crypto, and I'm going to show you exactly how to become a cryptocurrency master. Whether you're a beginner or you've been in the game for a while, this video will equip you with the knowledge and tools to excel. So, let's get started. Section 1. Understanding the cryptocurrency landscape in 2024. Before you can master cryptocurrency, you need to understand the landscape. 2024 is bringing significant developments. We're seeing a rise in decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, more stablecoins being introduced, and greater institutional adoption. Governments worldwide are also developing their own digital currencies, which could impact how we interact with crypto. Staying informed about regulatory changes is crucial. Join online forums, follow reputable crypto news outlets, and participate in webinars or courses. Knowledge is power, and understanding the trends will give you a competitive edge. Section 2. Building a strong foundation. To become a cryptocurrency master, you need a solid foundation. This means understanding key concepts like blockchain technology, smart contracts, and decentralized applications, dApps. Start with the basics of how blockchain works, how it's a distributed ledger, and how transactions are verified and recorded. Next, dive into how smart contracts function, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. dApps are decentralized applications that run on a blockchain network. Learn about these and how they are revolutionizing industries beyond finance. Section 3. Investing and trading strategies. A cryptocurrency master doesn't just hold assets, they know when to buy, sell, and hold. In 2024, the market is more volatile than ever, so having a strategy is crucial. Start by diversifying your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider both long-term holds and short-term trades. Learn technical analysis, which involves analyzing statistical trends from trading activity. Also, familiarize yourself with fundamental analysis, which evaluates a cryptocurrency's underlying value by looking at factors like technology, use cases, and the team behind the project. Don't forget to set stop-loss orders to minimize losses and always stay updated on market news that could impact prices. Section 4. Security is key. One of the biggest challenges in the crypto world is security. As a cryptocurrency master, you must protect your assets from hackers and scams. In 2024, cyber threats are more sophisticated, so you need to be vigilant. First, use hardware wallets to store your crypto assets. These devices are not connected to the internet, making them less susceptible to hacking. Next, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on all your accounts, and use strong, unique passwords. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Always double-check URLs before entering any information, and never share your private keys with anyone. Additionally, consider using a VPN for an added layer of security when conducting transactions or trading. Section 5. Continuous learning and adaptation. The cryptocurrency space is constantly evolving. To truly master it, you need to be committed to continuous learning. Follow influential voices in the industry on Twitter, join Reddit communities, and subscribe to YouTube channels that focus on crypto analysis and education. Enroll in advanced courses that cover topics like crypto trading algorithms, decentralized finance, and emerging blockchain technologies. Attend virtual or in-person conferences where you can network with other crypto enthusiasts and professionals. Remember, the key to staying ahead in 2024 is to be adaptable. New technologies, coins, and regulations are emerging all the time. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep refining your strategies. Section 6. Participating in the crypto community. Finally, to be a cryptocurrency master, you need to immerse yourself in the crypto community. Engaging with others not only keeps you informed, but also opens up opportunities. Join crypto groups on Telegram or Discord, contribute to discussions, and share your insights. Participate in initial coin offerings, ICOs, and other crowd sales to support new projects. Consider contributing to open-source blockchain projects or even launching your own. The more you contribute to the community, the more you'll learn and grow. Becoming a cryptocurrency master in 2024 is not just about making money. It's about understanding, security, and continuous growth. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are also interested in mastering cryptocurrency. Let's build this journey together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.